How to create WhatsApp channel? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. This is a full guide on how to actually create one. So if you would like to do that, then please keep watching and let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. So what you want to do is make sure, first of all, that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you should see an update button right over there. You want to click on there and just update your app real quick. And after you've done that, you can go back to WhatsApp. Then once you are here, you want to go to updates in the bottom left corner. And once you are here, you can see channels. So you can here follow channels, but there's also a plus icon. So if you click on the plus icon, there is two options. One, to find channels, and two, to create a channel. Now, you want to click on create channel. And here it basically gives you a quick explanation. So create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. People see your channel, not you. You're responsible for your channel. So this is pretty nice. So you can read through all of this if you would like to. But you can also just click on continue. And here you basically want to give your channel a name. At the top, you can also give it add a picture of your channel and then also describe your channel right over here. So I'm going to do that real quick. So as you can see, I have now added a picture, a name, and added something to the description. So now I can click on create channel. So there you go. This is your channel now. And here you can already click on share channel link or share to my status. Now there's a couple of things which you can do. All the way at the top right corner, you have three dots. Well, if you click on there, you can click on channel info and you can also click on share. On the left of that, you have this sort of like chain icon, I guess. And if you click on there, you get these options, as you can see. So you can here at the top is the actual link, so you can paste that anywhere you would like to. Here you can also send link via WhatsApp, share to my status, copy the link, or share the link. So keep that in mind as well. And all the way at the top, if you click on your name, so test channel, then here you can basically see as if you are in a WhatsApp group chat. So here you can at the bottom see your followers and all of the members basically from your channel. You can also search. At the top right corner, you also have edit. So here you can always edit your profile or like your channel picture, name and description. And also here you can see that it is a public channel. And then here you have also channel settings. Nothing much is in here, but you can allow any emoji to so people can react with any emoji, or you can only allow these default emojis. So you can choose which one you would like to. And then all the way at the bottom, you can also delete your channel. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to create WhatsApp channel.